Now let's come back to blockchain. So blockchain consists, as the name suggests, it consists of block which are connected. So on every transaction we make on a particular blockchain, every entries are done on the every node of the blockchain, making it more transparent and more trustable for the whole ecosystem of blockchain. So every block has header and previous block address, timestamp known as and Merkle rule. So this is how the every transaction of blockchain is written on every block, making it more trustable, making it more transparent for the user to adopt blockchain.